Hi everyone, you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle TV. My name is Mary. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to turn these reusable socks into a nice baby toy. If you're new into my channel, please subscribe, and for the returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. Now I have my two pair of socks, I have my pins, I have my thread and needle, and I have my scissors. So let's get into the act of recycling. I'm going to see you at the end of the tutorial. Subscribe and have fun. I'm just adding finishing touches to the gorgeous, cute looking transformation that I have here. This socks is looking good, it's looking cute, it's gorgeous. And I want to, as you can see, you don't have to trash your socks again away, any old one that you have. This is from trash to treasure, and it's looking good. So you can prepare this, you can teach anyone how to make this. Yeah, it looks really good. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and if the tutorial was really useful to you, remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share. And if you're new into my channel, keep watching. We do a lot of tutorials here and a lot of mentoring and business idea sharings as well. So this particular one is the first one that I tried my hands on. It was really emotional when I did it, honestly, because it was too good to be true. I really loved it. I really loved it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please do have a good day. Check on yourself. Keep loving yourself and say hello to someone. God bless you and see you some other time. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.